Discover comfortable co-living at Scientex Meru Condo, Ipoh, Meru. Move-in ready and fully furnished. Fully furnished with washing machine, refrigerator, dining table, fan, sofa, television, water heater, and air conditioner. Master bedroom with attached bathroom. Medium bedroom. Small bedroom. Enjoy access to a swimming pool, gymnasium room, children's playground, and clubhouse. 24-hour gated and guarded for your safety. Close to Tenby International School, Amanjaya Ipoh Bus Terminal, Mydin Mall, Econsave, and McDonald's. Interested in living here? Contact us today to rent your room at Scientex Meru Condo.